Changing the white balance on your Canon R50 is quite easy. There's two real easy ways to get to this option. You can press Q on the back of your camera and go down to this option. As you can see, I have auto already chosen on mine, and you can choose the one you want from here. Additionally, you can press menu and go to shoot 4, and your option will be at the top of the screen. And from here, you can see all the different options. You have ambience priority or automatic white balance, daylight, shade, cloudy, tungsten light, white fluorescent light, flash, a custom function, and also color temperature where you can manually choose your own color temperature. I am going to set mine to auto because auto normally works quite well. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Please feel free to join us on Discord, Facebook, and X. And if you can, please consider becoming a Patreon member. Also, if you're interested in what gear I use, those and all the other links can be found down in the description below.